friends. Now today I have come up with a very interesting video which is related to angles. So basically we have learned different type of angles in the previous standard, but now today we are going to learn one very important pair of angles. Okay, now here you can see on the screen I have one page, or you can take your notebook also. You can see the corner of this page. If I take this edge and this edge of this page, it is making one corner here. If I divide this corner, or if I break this corner from corner, if I break this into angles, we can get two angles. One angle including this edge, this is one angle, and one angle is this one. You can find this in your notebook also. In your notebook there is a corner, and if you break the corner into angles, you will get two angles. I have got two angles here. So if two angles are there, that is named as pair of angles. So here we have pair of angles. Now what kind of pair it is, that we are going to learn today. And if out of these two, if any one is known, how can we find out the other angle? That also we will learn in this video. Maths, the name of the chapter I will tell you later, but here some angles I have stuck on the board. You have to identify what is common in all these pairs. Pairs means there are two angles. You all can see here the first angle is 70-20, next pair of angle is 60-30, next pair of angle is 50-40, and next pair of angle is 80-10. Who will tell me what is common in all these pairs of angles? Who will tell me? Just raise your hand, those who knows. What is the common which you find in all these pairs of angles? Why only two or three? Others cannot find? Yes, Rehan?
All are complementary angles.
All are complementary. You know what is complementary angle? Just in common words, tell me what is the common thing you find in all these pairs of angles? Stand.
Every triangle has three corners.
I am not asking about triangle. I am asking about angle. In this triangle, this angle is 70 degree, and in this triangle, this angle is 20 degree. What you find in these two pairs of angle, which is same in these two pairs of angle, which is again same in these two pairs of angles, and which is same in again these two angles? Who will tell me? Yes, Sadal.
They are making sum of 90 degree.
Yes, correct. If you will see 70 plus 20, how much it would be?
90.
90 degree. 60 plus 30?
90.
60 plus 30?
90 degree.
90 degree. Next is 50 plus 40. How much?
90.
90 degree. And next is 80 plus 10. How much it is?
90 degree.
So in all the pairs of angles, the sum you are getting is 90 degree. Okay? So when two angles make a pair of 90 degree, the sum is 90 degree. Those two angles are called complementary angles. So I can say 70 degree is the complementary angle of 20 degree. Or I can say in this way also, 20 degree is complementary angle of 70 degree. Because 20 degree is helping 70 degree to make 90 degree. Are you understanding?
Yes.
Here 60 degree is the complementary angle of
30 degree.
complementary angle of
30 degree.
Because 60 plus 30? 90. So 30 is helping 60 to become 90. Or I can say 30 is the complementary of 60. So 30 degree is helping 60 degree to become 90. Are you understanding? Yes. So the one who is helping other angle to make 90 degree, those two angles are complementary angle of each other. Is this clear? Yes. So in all these four examples, the sum is 90 degrees, so they are said to be complementary angles of each other. So here we can get the definition. If the sum of the measures of two angles, here you can see two angles. If their sum is 90 degree, they are known as complementary. Okay? If I take 70 plus 60, 70 and 60 degree angle, are they complementary of each other? No, because 70 plus 60 does it make 90? No. The condition is that the two angles should make 90 degree. Their sum should be 90 degree. If I say 60 and 40, are they complementary of each other? Because 60 plus 40? 100. It is not making 90 degrees. So they are not complementary angle of each other. Are you understanding? Yes. So if I jumble the angles and if I ask you to arrange according to the complementary angles, can you arrange it? Yes. Okay. So here I have cheats. I have given you the definition. If the sum of the two angles is 90 degrees, then they are known as complementary. So here I have some cheats. Some are in blue and some are in yellow. Okay? Angles are written on those cheats. The blue is going to pair with yellow one. I'll ask some students to come over here. They'll pick up one cheat. Okay? And you have to find your complementary pair. You have to find your complementary pair and then you will stand according to your pair. Is that clear? Yeah. Okay. Who is going to come here? Okay, who else is coming? 2, I want 5, 10 students. Come Tawheed, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Both of you come. Sirat come. 10. Come fast. Okay, boys are both. 2 of you have to go. I'll take yours. Tawheed. I want 2 more girls. Come better. Come. 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so here I have some cheats. You have to pick up your cheat and you have to find your complementary angle. Okay? Each one of you will take one cheat. Huh? Just find your pair of complementary angles and stand accordingly. Come on fast. One pair of complementary angles are required. Stand on this side.
रुका वीडियो रुको
My angle is
77. My angle is 13 degrees. We are complementary angles.
next pair. Come.
My angle is 67 degrees. My angle is 23 degrees.
We are complementary angles.
My angle is 45 degree.
My angle is 45 degrees.
We are the complementary angle.
My angle is 30 degrees.
My angle is 60 degree.
We are complementary angles.
Next pair of angle, complementary
My
angle.
angle is 40 degrees. My angle is 50 degrees. We are complementary angles.
Okay. Thank you.